Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a fair price. Features also include stability control, 8 speakers, premium sound system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third-row seating, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in the 2017 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.